Ladies and gentlemen, the Great Reset that everybody has been talking about since 2020 is not going to happen by 2030, it is already happening now. In this video, I'm going to go over some things that are already happening with the Great Reset plan and how they're all coming for our cars and car ownership. And people, when I saw this was very worrying. And I'm terrified that we're slowly sleepwalking into a dystopian future. So everyone, let's not waste any time. Let's get straight into it. Look at this, everyone. Biden's infrastructure bill has now been signed into law and mandates vehicle kill switch by 2026. This is absolutely crazy, everyone, and unprecedented. And do you know how much of a big breach of privacy this is and the amount of power this will give to the government and control on people's movement? The rumors were first reported back in December have turned out to be true. The United States federal government is apparently in the process of trying to force automakers to install kill switches in their vehicles that authorities can use to shut down any newer vehicle. And you know what this is going to lead to? Well, we're already seeing used car prices are going through the roof right now. I think this is going to lead to many people all of a sudden go to older cars, because I don't know about you, but I wouldn't want to buy these new vehicles that have these kill switches installed, because we've seen what's happened in 2020 and 2021, and especially me in Australia, especially here in Victoria. It has been definitely tough to say the least over the past 2 years. And what this could lead to if there's any other lockdowns in the future for whatever reason, they're already talking about maybe some climate change lockdowns. Well, if they see a vehicle that's registered to a specific zone and it goes out of that zone without being authorized, well then they can just shut off your vehicle like that. Now some people may say this could lead to good things, like say for example there's a high speed chase, police can just shut off the vehicle, and yes, it'll be good in that case. But you know how the saying goes, if you give up a little bit of your freedoms and liberties for safety and security, you'll end up having neither. The law comes as part of President Biden's infrastructure bill, which was recently signed into law according to Yahoo. The government kill switch is like all good thefts of civil liberties being positioned as a safety measure. The mandate needs to be put into effect by 2026 for muscle cars and trucks. This is a very worrying trend. What I'm starting to see more and more, it seems like the government's answer for everything is more control and micromanaging every aspect of our lives, and breaching more and more of our privacy and freedoms and liberties. So former Representative Bob Barr called the measure included in the bill disturbingly short on details, but the fact that the proposed device must passively monitor the performance of a driver of a motor vehicle to accurately identify whether that driver may be impaired, which of course is code for some kind of device that is constantly on and monitoring your vehicle and will likely have the power to shut down your vehicle at any time it wants. And we've seen the issues that centrally controlled technology is having on electrical vehicles. Look what happened to Tesla vehicles in November 2021. Tesla drivers were left unable to start their cars after there was an outage. Dozens of owners posted on social media about seeing an error message on the mobile app that was preventing them from connecting to their vehicles. So what this could lead to is you worked your butt off to buy that car, to pay that car off, but in the future, you may not have the decision to fire up your car or not. This could all come down to an algorithm making that decision for you. And again, we all heard the slogan in 2020, you will own nothing and be happy. But I don't see all these unelected officials at the World Economic Forum giving away everything they own. They're simply telling us, the peasants, what to do. And I'm sure during the next market crash, they're going to be telling their billionaire friends to come up and buy up everything. So everyone, I thought this was very important to share with you, because I think many people may not be aware of this law that was passed in the Biden's infrastructure bill. But what do you think, everyone? Do you think this is just some crazy conspiracy theory? Let me know. Now, for all my loyal viewers and subscribers still watching, you're awesome. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.